Hey folks, it's Paulie B coming at you once again from Barletta Marketing. And as you notice, I'm outside in my backyard. Why? Because I just got fast mail order system flyers in the mail. He was walking out my walkway, my UPS buddy. Oh, by the way, folks, this is where we have barbecues, and we're having another barbecue coming up, and my wife wants me to clean up all these leaves because all the trees here in New Jersey are letting down its leaves. It's fall. Autumn is so beautiful, folks, in New Jersey, in the Garden State, New Jersey, and this time of year is so beautiful. And we live by the beach, so there's nothing like waking up in the morning, having a cup of coffee, watching those waves. I used to be a beach bum, by the way. Paulie B coming at you. Barletta Marketing, fast mail order system. Do I get down in the trenches? Folks, I get down in the trenches. And we're going to open up this bad boy right now. And we're going to see. I have old Bella. Mwah. She always helps me open up these packages. And folks, if I could tell you this business is fun, because when I see 35 pounds of postcards, flyers coming at me from UPS here at my home, I don't see 35 pounds of flyers. I see 35 pounds of cold, hard cash. And you know cash is king. So we're going to open up this package. And UPS, boy, they got these bubble things. You know I got to do this. Boy, I love doing this. Even when I was a kid. Yes, it's fireworks. Yes, and here we have it, folks. Here we have it. Here we have it. Let me take a few of these beautiful, beautiful flyers. And folks, when UPS sends you stuff, they do it top. Folks, it's all classy. What differentiates my flyers that I send out from others is this, folks. See this flyer? When you order from Vistaprint or whoever you're ordering from, when you choose glossy, which these are glossy, see, there's my name and everything on there. Always put your phone number. When you choose glossy, it's kind of more expensive. But with the printer services, the vendors that we use, especially now we have Ron Caddy doing our printing. On the next order, I just had a voucher for like $462 that I needed to use from Vistaprint for the next year, so I thought I would use them now. I've been ordering a lot from them. But these postcards here are in glossy. I always suggest to get glossy. And we're using the colored envelopes right now. Just the colored envelopes, with a stamp and your sticky address peel off. Just the two. Boom, boom. We've tried out others that have stamps on them, urgent offer, open immediately, and all that other stuff. But for time's sake, because you know, our biggest commodity in this world is time. Life is short, folks. But we try to do it quickly, effectively, and quite easily here at Barletta Marketing. Folks, go in the description. Sign up today, fast mail order system. I have some bonuses for you when you enter in Paulie's Inner Circle. And we help the poor and struggling. And we're hands-on, folks. We're hands-on. And it is mailbox money time. God bless you. Have a great day and a great evening. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, shalom.